Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Cigar humidifier. This Cigar humidifier having issue actually. This one you can see here. It is brand wise China brand, Fuke brand. This one having problem with the actually humidity percentage is coming down. That means it should be actually over 70. The temperature should be plus 20, but this is the problem actually. This one while we are setting 20 and 70 or 75, but unfortunately is decreasing humidity percentage. That means it's up to 60. It's coming. Because of that actually we collected the machine from customer house to our workshop. Now you can see here, this is showing 72. I already setting here. I set humidity percentage is 71, also temperature 23, cooling. After that, if I'm keeping within few minutes, it's coming. I kept 76. Also temperature, cooling temperature 23. Within few minutes, actually, it's coming. That's been decreasing, not the increasing, decreasing up to 60. This is the problem actually. The main issue, humidity percentage is coming down. That's what we collected from customer house. Now I have to check what is the exactly problem, and we will go to the next step. While we are going to check inside, we have to remove all the racks. After that only whatever we can check, because I have to check here lock. You can see, dear friends, here this one lock we have to push down. After that it will come here lock. Also this side we have to, this side you can see we have to push up. After that it will come very easy. Here it will come like that. This is the lock. It's very easy to remove. It's like that. It will come very slowly. We have to take it out. Here it will come like that. You can see very slowly it will come. Don't break it. It's very easy to come. Again I will show you. Here this side we have to push down this lock and pull it little bit here. After that other side we have to keep it up. It's like that, and it's coming like that. Now it will come very easy to remove. We have to take it up, this lock, and it's very easy to come here. It's coming like that. Now I remove all the rack from the humidifier. Now I have to check here. Here also two fans are working. You can see here these two fans are working. Now you can see here I'm going to remove this plate. After that we can identify sensor and all. Now I'm going to remove all these screws are here. Now I already remove all the screws. Now we can check here. You can see here, dear friends. Dear friends, actually I checked all the things. Here I found this heater already gone. Here it is something shorted here. Also continuity not showing. You can see here it's not showing continuity. This is the problem actually. This humidifier not working, because this heater should work. After that only temperature controlling inside the cabinet. Because of that, now I am not able to find this one. You can see here this specification. This one 220 power, also 200 watts. What I'm going to do, I'm going to modify, I'm going to use this one, this refrigerator heater, defrosting heater. This one I'm going to use for this. This one also 220. This one 200, not enough actually, 200 watts, but I can use this one. And it's as an experiment I will fix and we will check if it is temperature we can control. That's enough. Now I can install here. You can see here, simply we can install the heater here without any problem. After that we can cover also here. No need to take water not shedding here. This one evaporator, it's all the water coming, becoming melting. After that water going to the tray, this downside tray. Because of that direct not falling to water top of the heater, because of that we can install like that. Now I'm going to fix this heater and we will check, because this heater already I'm going to disconnect. I'm fixing like that. I'm going to fix like that here heater. Now I already installed the heater here. Now we will cover. Here it's okay, no problem. Now we will close this one and we will check. Now 100% it will be okay now. Now I'm going to close this one. After closing we can check properly, otherwise we are not able to check cooling performance. Because of that, now I'm going to close. Now all three fans are working. Now we will fix the drawer also. Now both sides it should be the same. After that we can push inside. Now it's okay. It's like that will come. It's very easy. All it's like that. Now I already installed all the drawers also. Now again I'm going to set the temperature here. And I unlock the lock switch here. And set temperature I'm keeping here 20. I'm keeping. Now I already kept set temperature. It is 20. You can see here. Also humidity percentage I kept already 70. Showing at the moment is showing 63. Now we have to wait. We will check later. We'll keep open little bit until increase in temperature inside. After that we will close the door and we will check. Now is set temperature, now ambient temperature, otherwise room temperature is showing 64. And I already select 70 and 20. Because of that I will keep open the door, little bit decreasing increasing temperature inside the cabinet humidor. Now it's still showing 64. It should come actually 70, 72. After that I will close the door and we will check. Dear friends, now you can check here. I already set temperature, I kept 20. Also humidity percentage I kept 70. Now you can see after replacing heater, that means my modification, after modification heater, now it is actually stable, not like before unstable. Now it is stable, came 70 and 20. You can see here I already set temperature 20. Also here 70 percentage humidity. Now it is okay, I'm thinking, because I have to wait today full day. I will check here. After that I can hand over to the customer if it is okay. It should be okay now. Actually it is, before it's not coming, it is continuously coming up to 60 humidity percentage. Also temperature, no any issue, cooling is 20 only. The problem with the humidity volume only. Now it is okay. Now I open the door, that's why it's coming 69, because I already opened the door. Now my job already completed. We already resolved the problem, which is we replaced the defrosting controller heater. That one also the same volume, that's why it's working properly. Now my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.